What did I tell you when you walked in? You see yourself right here, I see you here. You don't even know what you're capable of yet.
White chocolate mocha, please.
Yeah, you guys don't know who it is yet, but you guys will find out very, very soon. And next time you guys see me, we're not going to be in the car, we're going to be in my office, so I'll see you guys there. And then, what do you want?
I'll do the iced white chocolate mocha, please.
What size? There you go.
Oh.
That's what I said, let's do it Monday morning.
Yeah.
Get out of the area.
Yeah, dude.
Is there any other place in your life, your family, your environment, your week, whatever, that you spend as much time with as you do at work? And they're like, no. So how can you keep going the same paycheck every month and not ask any fucking questions? Doesn't that bother you? Ooh, you know. So they're stuck in the what?
Matrix.
They're stuck in the matrix. Whoa.
The door. Like right when you see that guy coming up like this, and he's looking at you like fresh meat, bro, you already know. You already know. So exactly, that's like being in the matrix. So like imagine he's thinking, oh, I'm doing this so perfectly fine, but yet he doesn't know that he's stuck in.
They're all stuck.
Yep.
Most customers or sales agents, business people in general, us today, don't even realize that we're inside of a matrix. There's a study that says that about 99% of your decisions are not your decisions at all. They're influenced by something that's influencing you. Hey Joe, can you come to the office? He didn't send the address.
So as soon as you catch, you know that you're being negative, you have to catch it, you have to pivot, and you have to switch your energy. These things in the future, like money, I don't know, just like having a little bit more happiness, because you're gonna have freedom in your life, okay? So put in the work right now, suffer right now, and live the rest of your life as a champion. Dude, why'd you lower down the light? The light's lower. That's fine. And the grind doesn't stop, bro. We gotta get, I'm trying to get a referral from that lady. So ultimately, that's why I go to installations, is because I want to be able to get referrals from the lady. So if we get like 2-3 referrals off of her, that's like really good. She likes me too a lot, so she's gonna be there around 12:30. So we need to get going like immediately, right now. But let's go.